Hi guys, it's Coach Cicely, and happy Freedom Friday. Remember, this is the day where we decide to release one belief, story, or something that's stopping us from manifesting what we want and replace it with what we do want. And on today's Freedom Friday call, we're going to look at how setting healthy boundaries, not just with other people, but also with ourselves, is the key ingredient in being able to master your mind so that you can be, do, and have the things that you want. And now, especially with the way that things are going in the world, a lot of people are being laid off, or maybe you're just working from home and you got a little extra time, and now's the time to start planning what you want. Say maybe you don't know what it is that you really want. So based on how we are choosing to use this opportunity, we're really much determining what our future is going to be. And so join me tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll release how to, first of all, we'll recognize what these things are that are causing you not to be able to set boundaries, and then we'll be able to release them once they become to our conscious awareness. So I look forward to seeing you tonight, and may the universe show you something beautiful today.